We ignited this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. It would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. All-Clad quickly became the choice for demanding chefs and ignited desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-Clad. Ignite your passion.
Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me.
I ordered this amazing set of utensils on Amazon and I've been really impressed. First off, these are full size, you guys. Sometimes you order things on Amazon and they are smaller than you expected. These actually were larger. You can tell that they are just like heavy duty. They look amazing. It comes in this really nice kitchen set container, so you can put this on your counter. It just looks really sleek, streamlined, modern. Everything looks amazing. It also comes with these hooks in case you do want to hang them. You'll notice on the bottom of every single thing there is a hook hanger. Super easy, so you have everything there. Or of course, like I'm doing, you can just keep them in the nice set that they come in. Also comes with measuring spoons, different colors. They've got the milliliters and grams on here, so regardless of what you're measuring, you'll be all set. But I love these, you guys. Like I said, full size, none of those little tiny, spoons that you can get. These are like really big, very nice. They feel great in your hand. It's got the handle, so it's non-slip. It also doesn't transfer heat, so even if you're cooking something hot, you stay comfortable and safe. This part right here is a stainless steel. I don't have to worry about watermarks. They come clean really, really easily and just look great. The ends of everything, and you guys, you get everything that you would ever need in this set. Like, look at this. You've got your slatted spatula, your regular one, your spoon, your ladle, tongs, everything. There's even a whisk, a basting brush, everything. It's so nice. But these are all silicone, so that's so great for so many reasons. One, it's food safe. No weird plastics, no BPA, nothing like that. Two, it's not gonna damage your cookware. So everything just slides across really, really easily. It lasts even in high heat. These have been used, they're still perfect. And they're super simple to clean. Everything just comes right off really, really easily. I've been so impressed with these. Like I said, you guys, totally full size, comes in this, looks great, looks amazing on your counter, and it has everything you're gonna need. So highly recommend. These are amazing.
Hello, so I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing this 24-piece kitchen utensil set, which is silicone, and so this is made by Chubby. This actually has a hole at the bottom, so that way it's going to allow any water drippings to be able to fall. Okay, so this is made BPA free, so it is special silicone. It is food grade, FDA as the standard. It makes it very nice. It's actually heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy, and it's already off. And so I love how easily these clean.
All Rated products are 100% made in the USA in Waverly, Iowa.
The Rated Cutlery Ultimate Utensil gift set includes the ice cream scoop, the pizza cutter, the serrated pie server, and the spatula. Each utensil is manufactured using quality 300 series high nickel stainless steel. The handles are available in a black stainless steel resin that is dishwasher tolerant, or a solid brushed aluminum that should be hand washed and dried. Rated Manufacturing Company started in 1948, and all Rated products carry a lifetime guarantee.
Hey guys, so I just got my package from Asani, and it is the 25-piece utility set that is stainless steel. Now don't mind that I opened it upside down, but I said let me show you guys what all I got. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Look at slotted spatula, because you need to fry burgers. Potato masher. Me and my family go through potatoes. That is something that I'm always making. Vegetable peeler or potato peeler or an apple peeler. You ain't gotta worry about peeling the skin with the knife anymore. You just use your peeler when you get this set, okay? That's all you gotta use. And look at this, guys. It's so sturdy. I love this handle. I feel like it's not gonna break. Look at this. Does this bend? No. This is from a lesser brand. I'm not gonna say who, but look. This is exactly why I went ahead and bought this set. Exactly why. You get a spatula. You're also going to get a rubber spatula. You gotta lay some icing down on a cake, you use this. You gotta whip something up, you use this, okay? Slotted spatula, good for scooping anything and letting that juice drip right on out. Get that meat right on in there. Measuring cups. I don't know about y'all, but I usually try and go from memory for recipes, and it doesn't always work well. So these measuring cups are coming in handy for me. I have 2 sets. That way I have multiple sizes. Say that it's in the wintertime and you need to make some soup. Guess what? You got a ladle to go ahead and soup it on out of there, or scoop it out of there with the soup ladle. A whisk. Listen, I can beat my eggs with my fork. I could do that, but I would much rather have a whisk. You know why? Because it's gonna make them more lighter, fluffier, just tastes better. Ice cream scoop, right on time for summer. Tongs. Okay, now this is my thing with tongs. If I get tongs, they usually don't have the rubber part. So you know what happens? I set it on the stove, the tongs get hot because it's metal, and then I'm touching it with the towel wrapped around the tongs. With this, you don't gotta worry about that. You just gotta grip the rubber piece, and you're good to go. Look at that. Huh? I love it. I am in love. Cheese grater. Now, okay, anybody who has a family or a full family, you know that shredded cheese is higher. If you buy the block of cheese and you just grate it with this, what? You're saving yourself money. Money. Pizza cutter. My kids don't eat pizza, but I do. This pizza cutter is everything. Oh, wine bottle opener, because you know we need it. We need it. Okay, we need it. The can opener. Now listen, I am the queen of breaking can openers. I don't know how, I don't know why. This one feels like I won't be able to. It's got a bit of weight to it. Let me show y'all this. Okay, let me see here. Can of tuna. Can opener. You see how it's already holding there? Watch this, guys. And it's holding on. Why is this so strong? Listen, I'm in love with this set. You have got to get this set. It's affordable. It's quality, stainless steel. It's gonna last you a long time. You don't want to have this. This is not what you guys want. You don't want to have this. You want to have this. So I would definitely recommend this Asani line. It is just perfect. It gives you everything you need for your kitchen utensils. So yes, I love this.
kitchen utensils. A lever. Very nice product. Look nice. Very nice color. I love them. I can cook.